Hello students, I am Dr. Manveen Brar from GWPC Sanganer, Jaipur. I teach communication skills there, and the topic of discussion today is letters of application. We have done two more types of letters. We have done personal letters in one presentation and we have done business letters. Now we come to the third part, which is letters of application. All of you young students have to apply for jobs, and when you apply for jobs, your letter and your CV should be very presentable. So we are going to look at the format first, the format of a job application first. And a job application is in fact a letter you send along with your CV to provide information about your skills and experience. Now, this letter is an opportunity for you to provide information about yourself to an employer, explaining and highlighting why you are an ideal candidate for a position. When you write your job application letter, it is essential to pay close attention to the format. It should be written in the proper format, and the formatting is as follows. In the top left hand side corner is your address, the sender's address, which consists of the physical address, the contact details of the sender, and it should include your email and your contact number. This is followed by the date, and then the receiver's address, the official address of the firm where you are applying for your job. That is followed by subject of the letter, which can be application for the post of an assistant, application for the post of technician, and that is followed by the salutation. Dear sir, dear ma'am, and then comes the body of the letter, which is normally divided into three parts. In the first paragraph, introduce yourself and straightway mention the source of information about the vacancy, whether you read about it in a newspaper, you found it on the internet, or any other source of your information. Please mention that very carefully in the first paragraph. Second paragraph, mention your personal details and work experience, highlighting your good points. The third paragraph should be the conclusion, mentioning the reasons for applying for the job, your salary expectation, and how you will prove to be an ideal candidate. And many times this sentence is used that if I get an opportunity to serve with your company, I will do it to the best of my ability and with total honesty. So trust and hard work are two things which employers are looking out for. Then comes the complimentary closing with regards, best wishes, thank you, followed by your name, signature and designation. Now here is a format. See, the sender's address is at top. That is not visible in this, I'm sorry, but first of all comes the sender's address, followed by the date, then the receiver's address, which is to be followed by the subject, then comes the salutation, then the body of the letter, followed by the closing, which can be regards, best wishes, and then your name, signature, and designation. Here is an example for you to see. Write an application to the Chief Manager R&D Division, Wipro Industries, Bangalore. Apply for the post of Junior Research Associate. Attach your CV along. So, first of all comes your own address, the sender's address, followed by the date, and then the receiver's address as given here, to the Chief Manager R&D Division, Wipro Industries, Bangalore, August 13th, 2020. Subject: application for the post of Junior Research Associate. Sir, I wish to state that I have passed BTech in the computer engineering field with honors from Rajasthan Technical University, Kota, in the year 2004. I worked in the Infotech Noida as a software engineer. I wish to apply for the above said post. I am sure that my qualifications and work experience will suit your requirement. You are requested to consider my case sympathetically. I have enclosed my CV with the application. I shall be extremely grateful to you in this direction. Thanking you, yours sincerely, Preeti Sinha. Now, this is a basic letter and along with it is your CV, as you can see on your screens. Name, father's name, date of birth, educational qualifications, work experience, postal address, your contact details, your email, etc. And I also advise you to prepare your CV very carefully and very meticulously. It should contain your academic qualifications, your work experience, any other hobbies that you have, any other merit scholarships, or any other awards that you have been given, because that makes your CV more impressive and your employer is keen to hire you then. So this was an application for a job. But many times we have to write other applications also, not for a job, but we have to apply for certain other things, like it could be just a driving license, your passport, or a water connection. And when you write an application means applying for something. When you're applying for something, then your main purpose is to draw the attention of the receiver. It could be for taking some permission or informing about any problem to the authorities. So that application is to be written in a similar format. It can be written by a student to his or her teacher, principal for the purpose like leave or some complaint about the premises. And it could even be written by an employee to his employer. So here is one more example for you to see. You are the general secretary of your college. Write an application to the principal of your college requesting for the installation of commercial water purifier in the hostel. So you can see the application is to the Principal, Government Women Polytechnic College, Sanganer, August 2nd, 2020. Installation of commercial water purifier. Respected sir, I am Anju Sharma, General Secretary of the College Union, and I she is requesting you for the installation of commercial water purifier in the hostel premises, as there is acute shortage of clean drinking water in the hostel. Water coming from the taps contains dirty water which may cause diseases like diarrhea, cholera and typhoid to the girls living in the hostel. It would be very kind of you if you will pay some attention towards this issue and get the commercial water purifier installed at the earliest. Thanking you, yours faithfully, Anju Sharma, General Secretary. The field of writing letters is very vast. I have given you the basic format for it, and you can try writing all your letters according to this format. They will come out just fine. But in case you have any queries or any comments, please get back to me on my email chandigarh233@gmail.com. Thank you so much.